So, if you don't know me, I'm a very weird person, where I cry over stupid things, like if my watermelon fell on the floor, for example. And with big things, it takes a while to hit me. And my dog died towards the end of 2018, which, 2018 was just a few days ago, like, just ended like a week ago or something. And it hasn't hit me. It's hit everybody else but me till now. And if you had or have a dog, you know how hard it is to lose a dog. And the thing is I didn't want to go with my dad and my grandma and my dog to the in the room. I didn't want to go with them at all to go to the vet to put her down, but I had to because my aunt wasn't going to be home. So I had to go with them, and I went with them inside, and I walked the dog and just sat with her, and she was so happy, and she was jumping on me and my dad, and they couldn't stay in the room when they put her down. I said goodbye to her. I was trying so, I don't know, it just it didn't feel like it was gonna happen when we went home. I was just like, can you just stop crying, please? But I realized so she was something. And the thing is, she was my first ever dog that I ever owned. And she was only 5 because I got her when I was 4. And I got her when I was either 4 or 5. It was when I was 5 I got her. And I've had her for 5 years. Only because I got her when she was a puppy. So she was really young to die. I didn't think it was gonna happen. I'm sorry. I will continue to post videos right now because, like I said, it didn't happen today or a week ago. It happened towards the end of 2018, but like I said, it just hit me now. And so, I don't know, I just haven't been having a good day, really. So, yeah. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit post notifications to be notified every time I make a new video. Not like this, though, ever again.